Hi, and welcome back to the job site. Today's...
Wait. This is 10th factory update. We have to do something special.
Hi, and welcome back to the job site. Today's 10th factory update video, so we decided to celebrate a little bit. And this time we start here in the showroom. As you can see, we put some shears on display here already, so it starts to shape out a little bit. Since last update, we have done already the floor upstairs, so the concrete has been poured and it's now dry. So let's go have a little look on that one. Like you can see, the concrete is now pretty much dry, and within the next weeks we start to build the walls inside here. Roughly from here backwards is going to be our conference room, and this area here will be 2 offices and then some restrooms and more offices on the back. So this one will be more like an office area, this second level. And here we have also a door to the production side. Like you can see here, there is a lot of electric wires. Marko has been very busy running the wires all around the factory. And after the building site is ready, Marko will be coming to the production as a painter and an assembly guy. So he will make sure that we get enough shears to be shipped all over the world. And here the turntable has also arrived for the robot. So now just a little finishing touches, and then the guys can start practicing on welding actually the shears. So getting closer each day. And outside here there is a big fuss going on. Let's go check what's happening here. So here Jukka and Hannu, and second Jukka is building the storage for the wood chips. So the frame is up, and they're just making some fence lines on the top, so they can actually start building the roof after that. Safety first and all that. And here now you can get a little feeling on how big the space is actually going to be. So this will be roughly 3 or 4 times in a year filled with wood chips. And there's a big screw what the guys are assembling on the end that will feed it from here to the wood chip boiler, and the boiler will heat up this factory as well as the nearby service station. The scenery has changed quite a lot since March when we started the project. As you can see, the yard starts to be taking its shape, and the factory itself, obviously the frame is up, roughly 95% ready. The boiler and the boiler complex, the frame is coming up. So now we start to have a little feel on how the property is going to look when it's all ready. And back here we see the foundation for the back terrace has been laid down already. So here we will have terrace in 2 floors. So when you come from sauna or somewhere, you can have a little breath outside and chill out a little bit, as well as on the top. During the office days you can come out to have a little air with you. So I think that's pretty much for this time. Again, in 2 weeks we'll show you some new faces and the progress on the job site. Thanks for watching. See you later.